Vadim, this is the demo for you of LineSwitch functionality. What do we have over here? This is the power line L and N. And as you see over here, this is the two wires. One is coming to the L in the driver, and second one going through the override or switch or whatever you will install to the line switch in the driver. The second cable is directly connected to the L cable. Then we have got a full prog driver over here, and this full prog driver have the line switch and dyna dimmer override functionality put it inside, and of course we have connected some kind of light source. Now I will show you how does it work, and it's switched on. So for your information, in this situation I have used the time-based solution in DynaDimmer, so you will see all of the changes over here. But first of all I will show you something. I have set up that the line switch is on the 80% of the maximum lumen output. So even if the DynaDimmer working on 100% and your line switch will be set up for the, they say, 80%, each time when you will trigger this, you can see over here that there is the less light is appearing. And it's coming back to 80%, and now it was moved to 100. And again I will switch, you can see it's dimmed down. So when you will put the override, what will be set up as the override, that will be the main lumen output. So please be careful, if you will switch to override, it will go to this certain level. Now, as you see over here, the DynaDimmer have dimmed down. This is something around 10%. And as you see, if I will push this button, we go to the maximum. And again, when I leave this button, it will go to the last level which was set up. For your information, this value, when I'm clicking over here, is 80%. And as you saw before, it went to the 80%, not 100, because this is how I set up this line switch in this system. So this is how does it work, DynaDimmer override. In a few seconds or minutes, the lights goes up because I have set up that after 1 minute we go down to the 10%, and after another 2 minutes we go up to 100% again. I will come back to you in a few seconds. Okay, we are after a few seconds. Most probably this device will go up again to 100% in just a few seconds, and you will see. So now we still have over here 10%. Now I move to 80% and go back to 10%, which is set up. Now I'm waiting to automatically rise up the lights via this device. So we are quite close. And let's we check a few seconds. Oh, and now you see again it came back to 100%. So when I click here, you see that the lights go a little bit less because it's going again to 80%. So this is how the DynaDimmer override functionality works, and then I will show you how the program is constructed. Now you see my computer. So what do we see over here? First of all, what we need to set up, this is the dimming interface. And in the dimming interface over here, I have selected the DynaDimmer. Plus, I have put here the switch can be override by line switch. Then, to do not wait few days until everything will work fine, over here there is the time-based systems, which you can click over here. Time-based, it means it will start counting the every minutes from the beginning of the power up the driver. And I have set up that after from 0 minute, 0 second, 100%, then fade time 0 second, and over here after 1 minute go to the 10%. And the fade time is also 0 second. The fade time is very important because in the standard way, it's something around 25 or 5 minutes even. And then after 3 minutes from the moment when it will switch it on, it goes back to 100%. So it's 100%, 10%, 100% setup. And in the line switch, in the high level section, I have set up that it's something around 80% of the lumen output. In low level section, it's less, it's around 10. So please be aware again, just like I have shown you on the demo, if you click on the line switch and you put the mains to the line switch, it was a high level, and in the high level we had 80% of lumen output, when in the aerial beginning over here, when we had the 100% from the 0 seconds of the switching on the driver dims to 80%. However, when the driver was on the area of the 10% of lumen output based on the dyna dimmer, again when we switch to the line switch button, again it was rise up to 80%, which was shown. I guess this is a great explanation about the line switch. Now I prepare the demo for the 1 to 10 volt driver.